So like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah man, I'm kitchen with it around here. Stay tuned. Welcome guys, back to the channel. Yeah, today I'm gonna cook some stew peas with oxtail and some white rice cooked in coconut milk. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get some seasoning on my oxtail. Yeah, this is oxtail seasoning. So I'm gonna get some on it. Just a little. I don't want some. And that. Put some garlic powder as well. And some all-purpose. I never used this one before. Maggi. So I'm gonna try it. I think it's all-purpose Maggi. Maggi all-purpose, whatever. So yeah guys, this is it. Maggi all-purpose. I'm sprinkling just a bit, just a little over oxtail. Yeah, peppercorn, soy sauce as well. And then give it a good old mix. Good old stir. Right, so yeah guys, I'm gonna get it in the pressure cooker now. So stay tuned. Alright, so yeah, we get it in the pressure cooker. Yeah, have some water in there already. Yeah, so get some pimento berries as well. Get some thyme in there, and yeah, and in the meantime guys, as you can see here, my peas is cooking. Yeah, it's cooking nicely. So yeah, as soon as it cook, then I'm gonna incorporate the oxtail. Yeah man. So yeah, I'm just checking my oxtail. Yeah, it's cooked, so I'm gonna add the peas to it now. Peas already cooked as well, so just add it in here. So you guys remember I'm making oxtail with stew peas. Stew. So yeah, I'm gonna add one pepper in there, some chopped onion, carrot, spring onion, give it a stir. So I'm gonna add some Maggi guys. I never used this, never used it cooked with before, so I'm just trying it. Right. And then I think I'm gonna put some black pepper as well. And I'm gonna add a little of my oxtail seasoning. And I'm gonna get 1 One milk in there, coconut milk. That is. So here guys, I'm adding some garlic. Yeah, I already add some chopped onion and thyme and spring onion to it already. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave this, make it one cook a little bit. Meanwhile, I'm needing up some flour because I'm gonna get some spinach in there as well. I'm gonna get some spinach. Oh yeah, I need to put a little. I need to put a little, add a little butter to it as well. So yeah, add a little butter. So now I'm gonna knead up my flour to make my spinach. Meanwhile, coconut milk is over here. And I'm just waiting for it to come to a boil. Then I add the rice to it. So stay tuned, guys. Let me kitchen. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna get some flour. Mix for 2 spoons of flour. So I'll just add it to it as well to give it a little vibes, a little thickness, a little body. Come on. Here you can see my spinach swimming on top there. So yeah, that is that. So now I'm gonna add my rice. Now I'm gonna put it in the coconut milk. As you can see, it's boiling up. So I already seasoned it up with some spring onion and thyme, and I think I put green pepper and stuff in there as well. So I'm gonna add the rice to it now. Yeah, this is just coconut milk, guys. It's not water, it's just coconut milk. I'm cooking the rice in here. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. It's almost finished now. So as soon as it's finished, yeah man, I'm gonna show you finished product as well. So stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah man, I'm kitchen with it around here. Stay tuned. Yeah guys, so this is the finished product of my oxtail stew peas with white rice cooked down in coconut milk, some vegetable on the side and tomato. And so yeah, I'm gonna dig in. Yeah man, so delicious guys, so delicious. But anyway guys, I'm not gonna do any talking while I'm eating. So what I want you to do for me, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. So catch you in the next video, guys. I'm out. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. In my kitchen, me there. Yeah, man.